Hey, I'm Nancy, and in this video I'm gonna show you just how insanely profitable home decor dropshipping can be and how you can make up to $7,827 profit from a single sale even if you're completely new to e-commerce. Yep, you heard it right. Almost 8 grand from one product. Let's get into it. So first off, why should you even care about home decor as a niche? Well, there is the thing. This market is huge. Like, I'm talking more than $800 billion globally, and it's still growing. People love upgrading their homes. They love aesthetic, Pinterest vibes, cozy corners, fancy lighting, and ever since the pandemic, online furniture and decor sales have exploded. And they're not slowing down. In the US alone, online home decor sales are expected to hit over $200 billion by next year. That's massive. And what's even better, a lot of store owners sleep on this niche, which means less competition for you if you play it smart. Okay, but how much do furniture dropshippers actually make? It depends on your product strategy, of course, but here's the average. A typical store doing well in this niche makes between $5,000 and $25,000 a month in revenue, with profit margins ranging from 30% to 60%, especially if you're selling high-ticket items. That means you could be pocketing from $2,000 to $15,000 monthly, even with a small number of sales. Now, let's talk about the types of products people usually dropship in the home decor niche and how much you can actually make. So you've got your usual stuff like throw pillows, LED wall lights, shelves, small rugs, decorative vases, maybe some aesthetic organizers or wall panels. These are fun and the margins are decent. On average, you're looking at 15 to 60 profit per item, depending on what you're selling and how you price it. But here's the truth. If you want to make real money, like actual serious income that adds up fast, you need to focus on high-ticket products. This is the biggest shift I made when I started scaling my store. So what counts as high ticket? Basically, anything that sells for several $100s or more and has a juicy margin. And trust me, there are so many amazing high-ticket home decor items you can sell. Let me give you some examples. Ever since those futuristic multifunctional beds that come with built-in massage, Bluetooth speakers, a safe, storage, and mood lighting, people go crazy for those. Or luxury glamping tents with wood-burning stoves, or high-end rubber boats, deluxe dining table and chair sets, minimalist solid wood dressers, even ergonomic standing desk with a modern vibe. All of those are in high demand, and the best part, they can give you more than $5,000 in profit per sale easily. Some go way beyond that. Like I mentioned earlier, I've sold pieces that give me up to $7,827 in profit. You don't need 100 sales a day when just a couple orders can change your whole months. Now, obviously, the next question is, where do you even get this kind of products? Because it's not as simple as scrolling through AliExpress and hoping you find something decent. That takes forever. And usually the photos suck, the descriptions are a mess, and the quality, not worth the headache. That's why I stick with turnkey product packs. Specifically, I use this one from Sellvia. They've got a home decor pack that's absolutely loaded with premium, high-ticket items. We are talking over 500 carefully picked luxury furniture pieces, all pre-imported, meaning you literally click once and boom, it's in your store. Descriptions, done. Visuals, professional and already tested. Profit margins, checked. Customer demand, already proven. This isn't random stuff either. These are items that have already been tested by hundreds of thousands of store owners in Sellvia's ecosystem. That's the part I left most. These packs are baked by actual results, not guesses. And let me tell you, these turnkey packs have never let me down. Every single one I've used has helped me grow my store faster. No trial and error, no spending hours researching or designing listings. I just focus on traffic and let the products do the heavy lifting. So if you're serious about making money online and you're tired of low-ticket style that brings in $10 here, $20 there, then home decor dropshipping with high-ticket products is the way to go. And with Sellvia's product packs, you don't have to start from scratch or figure things out the hard way. You get access to a booming market, incredible products, and all the tools you need to build a real, long-term business. All you really need to do is start. So yeah, that's how I went from testing random trendy gadgets to making thousands with just 1 or 2 product sales. And you can totally do the same. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me break down the exact product pack I'm using or walk through setting it up live. I'd be happy to share that too. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you. More e-commerce tips, real talk, and behind the scenes coming soon. See you in the next one!